Today we got a 2021 GMC Sierra. Everything on this vehicle is LED except for the license plate lights. So today we're going to change that. The bulbs we are going to use to replace the 194 bulbs are these Lasfit T10 bulbs. On the back here it says no polarity, so whatever way you hook these up, they should work. This will not be a very hard install. It's just going to be getting under the truck and pulling the lights out from the housing and replacing them. I think the hardest part for me is going to be finding a good camera angle to show everybody. Okay, so now we're under the truck. Spare tire, buddy holding the flashlight. And right here, the little plug that you see, you're going to turn that to the left and that will release the housing for the light. What you're going to do is take this, you reach your hand over the tow hitch, and here's your housing. You'll twist this to the left, get your hand in there, pull it out, and there's your bulb. So I pulled, the light was back here, so I pulled it out, pull it up here so I can get to it. Just pull it out, take your new Lasfit bulb, stick it in there, and then you'll put it back in the housing. Turn this back to the right. Probably won't make a click noise, but you can tell when it's in there solid. So here's just a comparison. Here's the stock halogen bulb, and this is the new Lasfit T10 bulb. Makes quite a difference. You can see it lit up more on this side, and after we install the other one, the whole thing will be lit up. So here's the after putting in the new bulbs. Really lights up the license plate much better, and it looks better because they're LEDs. This didn't take that long. It was very simple. It was just trying to find a good place to record and get a good visual for you, but you're going to have to reach over the trailer hitch bar in order to reach the housing. But thanks everybody for watching, and I hope this helps.